How to fix can't install Snapchat from Google Play Store. So if you want to fix can't install Snapchat from Google Play Store, then here's the fix. First, you need to open up your Google Play Store application. And once you open up your Google Play Store, now go with the profile, which is on the upper right, and then tap on settings. Under settings, you need to go with network preferences option. Tap on that option and then go with app download preference. And here you will have these options, right? So you just need to simply choose ask me every time and then again choose over any network and tap on OK. And once you've done that, now you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, scroll down, tap on apps. Under apps, you need to go with Google Play Store, open up your Google Play Store under your settings, and then scroll down, tap on storage and cache, go with clear cache. And once you've done that, now remove that from your background and then press and hold on to your power button. Tap on restart and restart your device. Once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix can't install Snapchat from Google Play Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.